Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Hetal'S Cornerstone. So in today's video we will cover Duolingo Speaking and Ielts Speaking mostly asked and mostly covered in a part 1. So this question is a hobby, Hobby, hobby. So in this session we will cover each and every question which are asked related to hobby. So let's begin with the video. Before that, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Hetal'S Cornerstone. So let's begin with the first question of hobby. How important do you think are hobbies in one's life? So this is the first question related to hobby. So let's begin with the answer of this question, and they have asked you, do you think? So you have to say your answer in a question. So let's start. Hobbies are individualistic. A person's hobby tell us a great deal about the person, right? Next one. To have a hobby is a great blessing in life. For some, their hobbies are so important that they cannot do without their hobbies. Well, in today's world, a hobby is not just a pastime a person's enjoy. It relaxes him and refreshes him mentally because it gives much needed relief from stress at home and workplace. But more important, it gives him a sense of self-worth and self-confidence. So this is the way you can start your answer of this question. How important do you think are hobbies in one's life? Next, it can be a therapy also. Some like the old or depressed people are encouraged to take up hobbies for that reason. The most common hobbies are reading, writing, gardening, painting, photography, collecting stamps, watching movie, etc. So if this is your hobbies, so you can include your hobbies in this list. Otherwise, any other hobbies you can include in your answer of the hobby. So this is the concluding answer of the question. How important do you think are hobbies in one's life? Next question. Okay, last one is that hobbies enriches one's personality, and so it's very important to have at least one hobby in anyone's life. So this way you can extend your answer related to hobby. What are your hobbies? Might be they will ask related question. What are your hobbies? So you can say that my hobbies are gardening, reading, writing, stamp collecting, surfing on the net. This is the newest hobby of the youngsters, surfing on the net. Whenever I plant grows, Whenever any plant grows, it fills me with the sense of creation, and I observe its different stages. Through the internet, I get the best and latest information about different aspects of knowledge. Because I have stated earlier, I love gardening and surfing on the net. So I gave a little bit explanation over here why I love that hobby. If you have another hobby, so for that hobbies, you can expand your answer of the question. What are your hobbies? Next question. How do the hobbies help us in our life? So, answer is that hobbies are the best utilization of one's life. We get knowledge, creation, name and frame also through the hobby. Next, we do not suffer from any sense of futility if we pursue hobby. So this is the answer of how do the hobbies help us in our life. Okay, so through hobbies we can get the knowledge, recreation, our name, frame also. So hobbies are much related to our own life. Do you adopt one of your hobbies as a profession? So might be this question will related to hobby in examination, right? So answer is that yes, of course, I would like to adopt my hobby like computer or photography as my career. You can say anything. Yes, of course, I would like to adopt my hobby like gardening, reading, writing as my career. So over here, you can't say that chatting with the friends, watching movies, and surfing on the net as a profession, because this is are not profession, right? Collecting stamps also not a profession. So you have to say that type of hobby must be related to profession. So you can say that I would like to adopt my hobby, computer or photography as my career. I would like to be an expert. So I said that my hobby is computer or computer operator, or I love to do anything in computer. So explanation over there, I would like to be an expert in software technology, especially the redress of internet related problems. So I gave little bit explanation of my hobby as a profession. Next one. Is there any change in the hobbies of today as compared to those in the past? So this is a comparison of today and the past of people's hobby. Right. So let's begin with the answer of the question. Yes, there are a lot of changes. In the past, the people had traditional hobbies like reading books, keeping pets, and gardening, etc. But today's people do not have the hobbies like reading the books especially, right, and gardening. Some people are having the gardening, but reading books is outdated, right? But now, in this high-tech era, people are fond of hobbies like browsing the net, computer games, animation, and web designing. Okay, so this is a comparison which hobbies people were preferring earlier in the past and now. So you can expand your answer in this way. Okay, so let's go. Should hobby classes be encouraged in the schools? If yes, why? If no, why? So answer question is that should hobby classes be encouraged in the schools? Why? Yes, hobby classes should be run in the schools during vacation. These classes will go a long way in the teaching new skills and practicing to the students. They will enjoy while they will learn. So if they will develop their hobbies in the school, so they will continue in the college in and further life also. So hobby classes should be encouraged in the school, right? Because they will develop a new skills in the vacation and for a long period of time, and they will enjoy while they will learn. Next question is that, okay, expand is that these hobbies provided new directions and meaning to lives of the students, because it's the answer of why the hobby should be encouraged in the school, because in the school students will have a new directions towards their life, and they have some meaning to lives of the students. Next. So, this is all related to answer of the hobbies. If you know anything about hobbies, so please comment me in the comment box, and please also mention that which are your hobbies and how you can develop your hobbies, and would you prefer your hobby as a profession. So, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Hetal'S Cornerstone. So be happy guys, be prepared, be well, and thank you so much for supporting this channel. Bye bye.